April 2023 is finally here in North Idaho, and hopefully within the next couple of weeks the freezing temps will be completely gone and we can actually plant our garden. Now, if you guys missed last week's video, it was all about this beefy platform. This is the 12 bucket container garden that we built here on the channel. We made a full video for it. I'll leave a link down in the description and up here for you guys to check it out if you want to. But essentially, what was that, dude? But essentially what it was all about was the construction of this guy, and though it's not my dream fully enclosed garden that I would like to build here on the channel, it's going to get us started, and I do plan on building that sometime, but this will do for the meantime. This gives us the freedom to actually grow 12 plants here on the property, and I'm really excited about it. And I kind of got to thinking, you know, well, what if somebody doesn't want a 12 bucket container garden? What if it's too big for them? What if it takes up too much of a footprint? What if they live in an apartment and all they have is a small balcony? And also, what if they just don't want to spend upwards of $250 to make it? So I kind of got to thinking about it, and I saw that I had some old pallets here on the property, and I got to thinking, what if I made just the little brother to this guy? And that's exactly what we did. So we built this. Again, this is the little brother to the 12 bucket container garden. This is the 2 bucket container garden, and it's completely made out of reclaimed pallet wood. So same concept. All you need is a couple food grade buckets, and bam, you can grow 2 vegetables or 2 plants, whatever you want to call them. You can grow whatever you want. Anyways, this entire build was out of a reclaimed pallet wood that I got off Marketplace for free. All it cost me were a few 1¼ inch screws and a couple 2½ inch deck screws. It was super simple to make. I'm gonna take you guys through the build and just kind of show you what we did to make it. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up on it, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you on the full build. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Okay, so to get on with this build, we're going to start with completely tearing down and disassembling this entire pallet. So they're down into individual pieces. I want it all apart. Okay, so our legs here are all cut out, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these cut at 26 inches, and then we have 1, 2 cut at 13 inches. Okay, so after I got done cutting the legs, I went ahead and I just cut the rest of what we needed to cut, and this is it. So these 8 pieces right here are what are going to form the box for what the bucket holes will end up being, if you will. not bad. It's not great, but it's not bad. It's a little catty, it's a little uneven, but hopefully we have an idea to fix that. We're gonna work on the next tier and see what that looks like. All right, and that will conclude the build of the DIY 2-bucket container garden made from reclaimed pallets. I'm pretty happy with how it came out. It didn't cost me really anything, just some hardware, and all you need now are a couple food grade buckets. I picked these up from Home Depot, and they were about $8 or $9 each, and within no time, hopefully within the next couple of weeks, we'll be planting in these guys and in all of those guys. So we'll have 14 spots to actually plant our fruits and veggies, and I'm super pumped to get on with it because it is springtime here in North Idaho and we've got some good weather on the way. So if you guys enjoyed this video series and want to track our progress with our container garden, be sure to leave a thumbs up on this video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. We will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.